Title: Two Hearts, One Lesson. Amma and Essie stood face to face, their voices sharp, their hands locked as they pulled at each other. Between them stood Kwame, calm, watching silently as the two women fought for his love. "Amma, he promised me marriage," Essie shouted. "He told me the same thing." Amma fired back, tears in her eyes. Kwame said nothing. He just looked at them, his arms folded. Suddenly, an old woman passing by stopped. She looked at them and shook her head. "My daughters," she said softly, "look at yourselves. Fighting over a man who enjoys your pain. When two women fight for one man, they lose their value. A man who truly loves will never make you enemies." Amma and Essie froze. They looked at Kwame, still silent, and something inside them broke. Without a word, they let go of each other and walked away, side by side. Kwame called after them, but they didn't turn back. For the first time, they chose peace over pain. Moral: love should lift you, not break you. Never fight for someone who won't fight for you.